Paul Senior Homes and Services is a very large organization that operates to serve seniors of San Diego community. We are not-for-profit. We are coming up to our 50th year, and we are blessed to have the staff here who've been with us for many years, and they are just absolutely the most wonderful, caring, compassionate, well-educated, well-trained group of people. It's just a pleasure to work with them each and every day. Employees come to work at St. Paul's because they have a desire to serve. They understand when they're coming to a facility named St. Paul's, we care about our employees, that we care about the work that they do, that we really try and make every day an inspiration, that they make a difference in somebody's life. And when they go home at night, not every day is going to be perfect, but most days they're going to go home with such joy and gladness in their heart that they want to come back to work next day. This is a very special place because we serve very special people, and employees know that. If employees are with us for more than a year, then they're usually with us for more than 10 years. This is a wonderful place to come to work, and if one has to get up every morning and come to work, this is the place I want to be.